Creating the perfect eye look starts with the right eyeshadow palette. Whether you're a beginner looking for everyday shades or a pro wanting to experiment with bold colors, a great palette can make all the difference. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 best eyeshadow palettes that cater to every need, from neutrals to glamorous shimmers. Stick around as we dive into their unique features, helping you find the ideal palette to elevate your makeup game. Kicking off our list at number 1, Urban Decay Naked Palette. The Urban Decay Naked Palette is an iconic choice that has set the standard for neutral eyeshadows. Perfect for everyday wear, this palette offers a mix of mattes, satins, and shimmers that work seamlessly together. Key features: this palette includes 12 versatile shades ranging from light beiges to rich browns. The pigments are highly blendable, making it easy to create a variety of looks, from natural daytime styles to sultry evening glam. It also comes with a dual-ended brush for convenience and a large mirror for on-the-go application. Benefits and usage: with its mix of textures, this palette allows you to contour, highlight, and add depth to your eyes effortlessly. The shades are universally flattering, making it suitable for all skin tones. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, this palette delivers consistent results every time. Usability: designed for versatility, the Naked palette is user-friendly and ideal for both casual and professional use. Its sleek, travel-friendly design ensures you can take it anywhere, making touch-ups a breeze. Durability: Urban Decay's eyeshadows are known for their long-lasting formula, staying vibrant and crease-free for hours. With or without a primer, the shades hold up well, ensuring your look remains fresh throughout the day. In the second spot, we have Natasha Denona Glam Palette. The Natasha Denona Glam Palette is a luxurious option for those who love sophisticated and high-performance eyeshadows. Its cool-toned color story is perfect for creating polished, elegant looks. Key features: this palette features 15 ultra-pigmented shades, including matte, metallic, and shimmer finishes. The shades are labeled for easy application, guiding users on where to apply each color for a flawless look. The buttery formula ensures effortless blending and rich color payoff. Benefits and usage: whether you're creating a soft daytime look or a bold, smoky eye, the Glam palette offers endless possibilities. The curated shades complement each other perfectly, eliminating guesswork and making it easier to achieve professional quality results. Usability: ideal for all skin tones, this palette is especially loved by makeup enthusiasts who appreciate precision and quality. The labeled shades simplify the application process, making it accessible even for beginners. Durability: the Natasha Denona formula is known for its longevity and crease-resistant finish. With proper application, your eye look can last for over 12 hours without fading or smudging, making it perfect for long events or busy days. Coming in at number 3 is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde. The Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette is a vibrant and versatile collection of shades that invites creativity. With its mix of bold colors and soft neutrals, this palette caters to those who love experimenting with their looks. Key features: this palette includes 18 shades in a variety of finishes, including matte, metallic, glitter, and multi-reflective pigments. The rich formula ensures intense pigmentation and smooth application, while the holographic packaging adds a touch of luxury. Benefits and usage: the Mercury Retrograde palette allows you to create anything from ethereal pastel looks to bold, dramatic designs. The metallic and glitter shades are particularly striking, making them ideal for special occasions or statement looks. Usability: suitable for all skin tones, this palette is perfect for those who enjoy pushing the boundaries of their makeup skills. While some shades may require layering for optimal payoff, the overall formula is easy to work with. Durability: the long-wearing formula ensures your eye look remains vibrant for hours. Glitter shades may benefit from a primer for enhanced adhesion, but overall, the palette delivers impressive staying power. Taking our 4th spot is Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette is a go-to for anyone who loves warm, romantic hues. Its mix of mattes and shimmers is perfect for creating timeless, elegant looks for any occasion. Key features: this palette features 14 shades in soft neutrals and glamorous metallics. The buttery texture ensures effortless blending, while the highly pigmented formula provides excellent color payoff. It also includes a dual-ended brush and mirror for convenience. Benefits and usage: the soft Glam palette is versatile enough for both everyday wear and dramatic evening looks. The warm tones flatter a wide range of skin tones, and the shimmers add a touch of sophistication to any look. Usability: with its user-friendly design, this palette is perfect for both beginners and professionals. The compact packaging makes it travel-friendly, while the shade selection allows for endless combinations. Durability: Anastasia Beverly Hills is known for its long-lasting eyeshadow formulas. The shades stay vibrant and crease-free for hours, ensuring your look remains flawless throughout the day or night. And finally, at number 5, we have Too Faced Born This Way The Natural Nudes. The Too Faced Born This Way The Natural Nudes palette is a beautifully curated collection inspired by skin tones. Perfect for creating natural, radiant looks, this palette is a must-have for makeup lovers. Key features: this palette features 16 shades, with an equal balance of mattes and shimmers. The formula is enriched with coconut water and alpine rose, offering hydration and comfort. The pigments are highly blendable, ensuring a smooth, even application. Benefits and usage: whether you're creating a soft, everyday look or a sultry evening style, this palette delivers consistent results. The shades are designed to complement each other, allowing for seamless transitions and gradients. Usability: suitable for all skill levels, the Natural Nudes palette is incredibly easy to use. The shades blend effortlessly, making it perfect for quick applications or intricate designs. Durability: the formula is long-wearing and resistant to creasing, ensuring your eye look remains fresh and vibrant all day. With its skin-friendly ingredients, this palette is a great option for those with sensitive eyes. The right eyeshadow palette can take your makeup to the next level, offering versatility, quality, and creativity. From the iconic Urban Decay Naked palette to the luxurious Natasha Denona Glam palette, these top 5 eyeshadow palettes cater to every need and preference. Whether you're a neutral lover or a fan of bold colors, there's a perfect option for you in this list. Choose your favorite and unlock endless possibilities for stunning eye looks.